Hi, this is Sandy Gabrielli with the Gabrielli Homes team at Remax Professionals, and today I am going to talk about blockchain. And I know that's kind of an odd topic for a real estate video, but you may or may not have heard about a company called Blockchains LLC. They recently purchased over 67,000 acres in the Tahoe-Reno Industrial Center. And to give you some perspective, that's 104 square miles of land. The city of Reno is approximately 105 square miles. So that's a nice piece of property they bought. The only thing I knew about blockchain is I thought it was cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, and that it took a lot of computers and a lot of energy. That's all I knew. But I got curious. I went to a presentation about blockchain. It was hosted by the Northern Nevada Business Weekly, and they had a small group of panelists from different fields, each having an expertise in blockchain. And through that, I discovered blockchain is not cryptocurrency, but only the technology that cryptocurrency uses. So the implications that I've discovered about blockchain technology and how it will affect our lives was pretty fascinating. The word disruptive is used a lot and well overused actually. However, I think it may be appropriate for this. It has the potential to change, or I think even the likelihood to change our lives as profoundly as the internet did, and how we handle information, how we store information, how we secure information, and how quickly we can get to that information. So it was pretty fascinating. As far as Blockchains LLC, they basically support different industries and businesses that are going to or are using the blockchain technology, or applications that are going to use the blockchain technology. And there are companies like MasterCard, Google, Microsoft, Bank of America, who have all applied for patents for this technology. It can change the way we bank, the way we vote, how that information is stored. In the real estate realm, how we record, track, and transfer deeds and liens. So it's very fascinating, the implications for this. The company itself, they intend, right now they have a small campus right on the industrial center on the edge, and then they're building approximately 300,000 square foot campus there, and they plan on employing 1,000 people by 2021, which is impressive. Add that to the amount of growth we've had, because the Tahoe-Reno Industrial Center is the largest industrial center in the world, and we have data storage in that center that's the largest data storage in the world. So this is all really impressive, and it's absolutely having an impact on our market, our housing market. We have a shortage of inventory. We have a lot of people moving into town. We have a lot of construction workers here with all of the construction that's going on out in that industrial center, and the ripple effects throughout the community. So I just wanted to touch bases on that. I'm going to be watching, going to be very interested to see what this company intends to do with that property. For any of your real estate needs, give us a call at 775-772-8097. And thank you for watching this video.